Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to make a scroll to top button on your website. Scrolling can be adjusted by speed, and we can also disable scrolling with the mouse wheel during operation. Let's move on to implementation. The first thing that needs to be done is a tag in the HTML document with certain ID. We describe scroll to top styles. Of course, you can make your own styles. Here I made a fixed position and a distance of 20 pixels. First we get a button by ID. Let button equal document dot get element by ID scroll to top. Now we need to work with the button. Button dot add event listener, click function event. The first thing to do is event dot prevent default, so that we could calmly work with the button and nothing would disturb us in the process of work. Next you need to get current scroll. We get it as follows: document element scroll top, and another document body scroll top. We have to make a comparison. That is, if we have a value greater than 0, we will write this value in the current variable. We can check how the data we use works. For this, we can use the usual console log. Let's see what we got. First, we scroll and click on the scroll to top button. In the console, I get the current scroll data. Now I have 3300 as a result, where bodies I will always have 0. Next we have to do a simple check. If current scroll is greater than 0, then we need to call a built-in function with which we can animate. Add window request animation frame. So function we can use scroll step, and here we can call and add the scroll step function that we will describe. Now we describe the scroll step function itself. This is where I have to add the current scroll data. After that, new scroll is the new scroll position. Now we use current scroll and subtract current scroll divided by some number. This will be the scroll speed. After that, you need to call the function window scroll to with the following data: 0 and our variable new scroll. Now we check it. If new scroll is greater than 0, then we call the function window request animation frame scroll step again. This function will be called until it reaches 0. When it reaches 0, we can output 4 zeros to the console. I update the data on the side. Click on the shortcut button and I scroll. Now we can change this value to 200. Now scrolling will be much slower. Now, when I use the scroll wheel, I get scrolling. This can also be removed. In order to do this, you can write a simple function: disable mouse wheel scrolling. It is sufficient to write event prevent default. Now you need to call the function in the if block current scroll more than 0. Describe window, add event listener, wheel, disable mouse wheel scrolling, passive false. It also needs to be done in the else block, but here we have to write window remove event listener. Now I turn the mouse wheel and nothing happens until we reach the end. After pressing the scroll to top button, the mouse wheel cannot be used. That's all. Thank you for watching this video, like and subscribe to my channel.